this. I don't know how to act, don't know how to adapt to this.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa and today we'll be doing a deep clean of the master bedroom. I will start off by changing the bed sheets, opening up the blinds, cleaning up some windows, dusting the furniture, get some of that spring cleaning going. Since I'm new to YouTube, I decided to let you guys know a little bit about myself. I'm 25 years old. I'm engaged to my high school sweetheart. We have a 7-year-old, soon to be 8. We have a dog. Her name is Nala. She's so loving. You'll see her in a couple of our videos. She likes to do her little appearances. We bought this house back in June. It's almost about to be a year. We love it here. Here we're going to start off by dusting some of the furniture. I'm using the Method Almond all-purpose wood cleaner. This thing is amazing. If you guys haven't gotten the chance to use it, I get mine at Target. It's so good. I use that one for the hardwood floors as well.
It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets to me. You getting inside my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting inside my brain. You getting inside my brain. You're 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 getting inside my brain. You getting inside my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting inside my brain. You getting inside my brain.
So now it's time to start cleaning the windows. I have a love-hate relationship with the windows in this house. We have a lot of windows, which to me is perfect because natural lighting, but cleaning them, it's a lot. Just our bedroom alone has 7 windows. That's just our bedroom, not including my daughter's bedroom, the downstairs. So yeah, cleaning them is my least favorite chore to do, but it has to get done.
People come and people go through high streets we know. Dark and light, day and night. No one knows what the future will bring. All or nothing. Gotta mean something when you're misunderstood. Gotta mean something when you're up to no good. Misunderstood.
So here I am organizing my spring and summer bags. I keep them in this basket so they're all nice and contained. My other bags, I keep them on the hook behind the door because I use those every day. This is my desk/vanity area. It's a mess right now because I just finished getting ready. It typically looks like this. I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Honeysuckle All-Purpose Cleaner. That is my favorite.
Misunderstood, I'm no victim, no Robin Hood. Hang them teeth round my neck on my gold chain.
So now I'm gonna move on to the other side of the room and clean those windows. These are the last windows in the bedroom that I have to clean. From there on, I'm gonna move to wiping down the furniture, sipping some coffee, and finish this cleaning.
I can point you in the right direction, then it's up to you. I can show you the right direction. It's not a mission for two. People have brains and hearts. Go move them, go get them. If you can't wait.
So now we're on to sweeping the floors. We're almost done. I honestly don't mind sweeping the floors. I know some people prefer to vacuum over sweep, but I personally enjoy it.
Do no harm, I can point you in the right direction. Then it's up to you. I can show you the right direction. It's not a mission for two. Doesn't matter what they think about us. Don't care what they're gonna say. You are you and they can touch you. Do what you do, they can stop you. Go get them. I can point you in the right direction. Then it's up to you. I can show you the right direction. Doesn't matter what they think about us. I can point you, I can show you in the right direction.
Now I'm just gonna finish cleaning by mopping the floors with the O-Cedar mop. This mop is awesome because you could detach the head, throw it in the washing machine, and you'll come out with a brand new mop head. From there on, we're gonna go to changing the bed sheets.
We got drunk and smoked your dad's cigarettes. Dreamt of a life in a big town, skyscrapers and neon lights. Ooh, I still think of you. I still dream of you. But if you hold me close, I won't let go again. We have time to grow. This wasn't a mistake.
Now I'm just bringing up the clean bed sheets. Don't mind the patch on the wall. We haven't gotten to painting it yet. Eventually we'll get to it.
Do not let me go. Please do not let me go. It was years ago, but I still see your face. Freckles on your cheeks, how you talked in your sleep. We had plans and I was your biggest string, yeah. Then I didn't call for weeks. Thought the love wasn't for me, no.
guys for watching this video. If you like it, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to keep up with some other videos that I will be posting very soon. That's it. Thank you guys for watching.